So suppose our car gives us 30 miles per gallon. So for every gallon, your car can run 30 miles. You can drive 30 miles if you have 1 gallon in your gas tank. So how many miles can 10 liters take us? Like how many miles can we get out of 10 liters of gas? So notice here that we are measuring gas in gallons, and here we are measuring gas in liters. So let's make that consistent. Let's change liters to gallons. So that way, when we multiply the amount of gas in gallons, the gallons cancels with the gallons, and our answer is in miles. So this gives us the total distance. So let's do the conversion first, and that is 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters. So 10 liters has to be converted to gallons. So we multiply it with, and remember the liters has to be in the denominator if you want to cancel the units, and the 1 gallon sits in the numerator. So 10 divided by 3.785 gallons is what we have. So we're going to multiply it with 10 divided by 3.785 gallons. So when we multiply 30 miles per 1 gallon with 10 divided by 3.785 gallons, the gallons cancel with the gallons, and our answer is in miles. So entering everything into the calculator, we get 79.26 miles. So that is the total distance that we can travel if we had 10 liters in our gas tank. So 30 miles per gallon. We wanted to find out how many miles we can go with 10 liters in the gas tank. Notice that the way we were measuring the amount of gas was in gallons here, and we were given the amount of gas in liters. So the first thing we did was changed the liters to gallons by using the conversion equation. And once we got our quantity in gallons, we multiplied that with 30 miles per gallon. And this is the number of miles that we can go. This is the distance that we can travel with 10 liters.